Have you ever dreamed of starting your own business? Imagine turning that dream into reality, becoming your own boss, and creating something that impacts the world. Of course, it's a journey not without its challenges. It requires vision, grit, and resilience. But the rewards? They're boundless. Personal growth, financial freedom, and the thrill of bringing an idea to life. So, are you ready to embark on this entrepreneurial adventure? Well, today, we're going to break down the process of starting a business into 5 clear steps. The first step is ideation. This is where your entrepreneurial journey truly begins. You'll want to come up with a unique and viable business idea. But how? Start by identifying a problem or a need in the market that you're passionate about solving. Then, let your creativity flow. Research, brainstorm, and don't be afraid to think outside the box. The more unique your idea, the better chance you have of standing out in the marketplace. Remember, an idea is the seed of a successful business. Once you have your idea, the next step is planning. This is where you lay the groundwork for your venture. A business plan is not just a document, it's your roadmap. It helps you navigate the road ahead. You'll need to forecast finances, devise marketing strategies, and establish your operational structure. Crafting a robust business plan is like solving a puzzle. Each piece plays a vital role. It requires careful thought, meticulous attention to detail, and a dash of creativity. Remember, a well-prepared business plan can set you on the path to success. With a plan in hand, you're ready to tackle the third step, dealing with legalities and finances. Choosing the right business structure, be it a sole proprietorship, a partnership, or a corporation, is crucial. Next, register your business to make it official. And let's not forget about securing funding or capital. Whether it's from personal savings, loans, or investors, ensure you have enough to cover your startup costs. Taking care of these elements will ensure your business is built on a solid legal and financial foundation. The fourth step is all about building your team. Assembling a group of people who share your vision is critical. These individuals will be the pillars that support your budding enterprise. They'll bring their unique skills and perspectives, adding depth to your business. Never underestimate the power of a positive work culture. It nurtures creativity, boosts productivity, and fosters loyalty. Remember, your team isn't just a workforce, they're your business's heart and soul. A strong team can drive your business towards growth and success. Finally, the fifth step is to launch your business. This is where all your hard work pays off. A well-executed launch isn't just about opening your doors. It's about creating a buzz, making your presence known. Marketing and publicity are your best friends here. They help you create awareness about your venture. They introduce your business to the world. They bring your first customers. Remember, nothing beats the thrill of the first sale. A successful launch can give your business the momentum it needs. So there you have it, the 5 steps to starting your first business. From the initial spark of ideation, to the meticulous process of planning, to navigating the complexities of legalities and finances, to gathering your dream team, and finally to the exhilarating moment of launch, each step is a milestone on your entrepreneurial journey. Now it's your turn to take the first step towards your entrepreneurial dream. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, so step forth into your future as an entrepreneur.